Okay, so here we are, the instant affiliate monster. Let's select this. 2-click affiliate promo. Project name, demo 4. So for this video, I'm going to use the same website I used before, Rona Fishing. And I'm going to grab an image from their site to use, which is this one. Copy image address. Let's just see what it looks like. That'll do. Obviously you can choose a better image. Control V, keywords, same as before. And click next. URL for the YouTube video. Now here we have two HTML sections. Top of the page and the bottom of the page. So you can put in any HTML you like. That could be for iframes, could be for additional text. Anything you like, but I'm going to be discussing what we can add in this section more a bit down the track, particularly when we release the next module. So anyway, that's all there is to it. Click next, and what it does is our software goes and spiders that URL you entered and then creates the content based on that. So you click next. Select the linking method, and for these I would generally always go with this one for an affiliate promotion. Click next, add all, finish, and we are done. It's that fast. So I'll click on start job and I'll come back once it's completed and show you the results. Okay, so the project has completed, and here is the website it created. I just noticed there's a bug in this template which will probably be fixed by the time you get to see this video. So if you remember, the only content we added, I'll just show you again, is new project. All we added was project name, the URL of the affiliate, the image and the keywords. And we added the URL of the YouTube video. I didn't add any HTML in this, though we could have, and we ended up with that basic data, YouTube URL, this URL here, this image, and we ended up with this. The AI did the rest of the work. We'll fix these bugs in this template, and you will see this is highly SEO optimized for these terms. You can see them highlighted, and that goes to your affiliate URL. These are all hyperlinked. Very, very cool. So in the next video, we're going to be releasing this section here, and there has been mountains of work that have gone into this. And the beauty of this section is it's ultimately customizable by you, giving you the ability to create your own prompts, to create the sites that end up in your own or our bucket sites, and you're going to be blown away. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.